that's a nice surprise. Downshift. Alright, I'll tell you what. You know, I was going to do a pretty cool intro to this video. Then I realized it's raining and it's cold. So I was like, I'm not going to do that. But what I want to do is, we're about to drive this car in the rain on drag radials. Oh yeah, it's gonna be lit. Alright, so we're warmed up. Let's go ahead and get this started. I gotta get the Mustang on right now because we have 5 damn cars in the driveway, so I gotta go all through the yard just to get out of my driveway. Dude, this thing is spitting out fumes like it ain't nothing. I really like it. It looks really cool. Now I got stuff all over my tires. That's alright. We'll clean them off. But since I have not been consistent with uploads, well, one is I started a new job, so that's happened, and so it kind of slowed down production of videos and just having time to film and all that stuff. So I was like, you know what, I'm off on a Sunday. I'm off on Sundays. Gotta do something, even though the weather is really poop right now. Let's have a little bit of something to do. So I'll put something out for you guys. And I want to really see how these tires hold up in wet conditions. So, doing a little bit of errands, getting me and my lady some food, my parents some food, and going to the grocery store to restock. So, we'll see how this goes. It's gonna be ridiculous. Alright, let's see how this goes. Oh, and one thing, I don't have traction control. Traction control because my ABS sensor is all messed up, so yeah, it's even better. So but I just pulled out of my neighborhood and it was already spinning like ridiculously, and I barely gave it any gas. So it's gonna be fun. Just hit it in 4th gear, a little punch. Oh well, of course 4th gear is not gonna do anything. I mean, I ain't got that much power. For the most part, cruising is high. It's high. I'll take it. But those initial takeoffs, yeah, it ain't having it. It ain't having it. Oh, yeah, I said I was gonna put this thing up for this winter. But I mean, of course, like y'all know, you can't keep your car put up. You gotta drive it at least once a week. You know what I'm saying? So I had to take it out, even though it is raining. I despise the rain. It ruins everything. It ruins events. It ruins going to car wash your car. It ruins everything, and I just don't like it. I hate the rain so much. Until I get a drift car, then I'll probably like it a lot. And that's for another video, and that's for one of the plans in 2019. Y'all help me decide. All right, I'm going to go ahead and link this. Y'all help me decide on this. 350Z or another Mustang like mine for a drift car. I mean, they're both really good platforms. They're really good platforms. I mean, if y'all nice want one, and then you have the Mustang, like my model, like a new edge. And I really like my model because, one, you have the power right out of the box. I mean, V8 that can hold about 400 to the wheels, which is really good. And I mean, the solid, the rear end on these cars, pretty stout. I mean, I already have, what's it called? It's an 8.8, so I mean, both wheels. So I ain't got to have a welding diff, none of that. I'll be perfectly fine with the rear end already with the car. And I already know some of the stuff I can get, like you have the field coilovers, and those are really good. They even have a specific drift spec for Mustangs. Oh, that's a nice surprise. Downshift. I'll tell you what. But yeah, for the Mustang you have the field 441s, drift spec coilovers, and they also drift knuckles. They have the angle kit for the Mustang. It's called the unicorn kit. So I mean, it's talking about full bar. I mean, think about like 50 to 60 degrees of angle. It's ridiculous. It's hooking up right now, dude. My car is pretty hooking up. These Mikey Thompsons are hooking up. Oh yeah, it's hooking up. But yeah, drift knuckles has a angle kit for this car, and it's really nice. I follow the guy, Vinny, I think it's Vinny Lutz. If you know who I'm talking about, I'll go ahead, if I can, in the edit, I'll put a picture of his car up here. It's super nice. It's a really nice car. And he drifts his car, and he's planning, I think he's going with Vortec next year, and his car is super nice. And that's the car I saw, and I was like, well, damn, Mustangs are really nice to drift too. So I was like, alright, that's not bad. And so those two, I can't decide. I mean, I love both cars. I already have a Mustang, yes, but this, you guys know, this is drag specific car. And I mean, you can find these cars for cheap, let alone, but 350Zs, it's hard for me to find a car that's good, that's for a good price. That, like, I mean, I'm not really trying to spend a fucking arm and a leg for one. Just, I mean, you find them easy for $6 grand, but I don't want to pay $6 grand for a 350Z. I mean, it's hard to find a nice one at a decent price. So, I mean, those two, I'm trying to decide which one. Y'all help me out, put in the comments. Y'all follow me on Instagram, put it on the gram. Let me know what you guys think I should get, or what would you guys like to see? Like, would you like to see a drift Stang, or would you like to see just a badass 350Z with a hard-ass angle kit? I don't know. Y'all just let me know. So, we're almost to the store. Got to pick up some groceries, and then food, because I'm about to do a little, like, I'm about to smash it first. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, it was spinning a little bit, but it hooked, and it threw me back in the seat. I didn't realize how hard it was squatting until I let off the gas and on the second. I'm just like, oh, it was squatting. But like I said, I love the rear suspension setup I have on this car. I just got to get the front set up. I got to get the coilovers. I can't decide if I want to bite the bullet and get the UPR coilovers, or wait for a while and get the ON DRAG Racing front coilovers. That, I mean, I haven't heard any bad things about it. I honestly didn't even know until I was just scrolling through the site, and I was like, damn, they have coilovers, front coilovers, and they're pretty good, and they're at a very good price. So I'm like, I think I might get that here soon. So I'm stocking up parts for January. Stupid cold is happening, and I'm trying to take the car. I'm gonna take the car. They're doing it differently this year. They're doing it at a speedway, and they're doing drag racing. You know, I really like that because I want to drag race, of course, and I don't have to wait that long. It's literally next month, and I think that's pretty perfect because I'm just gonna be grinding, working all through December, and I can enjoy some track time in January and not have to wait all the way until March, which which even then it's still going to be kind of iffy because I mean TXTK is in March, and I mean I'm going there obviously, but of course I'm not taking this. This is not going to be ready by then. I'm parking very far away. One, so I don't want people messing with my car. I mean, it kind of sounds silly. Y'all car people know it doesn't happen often, but it happens often. It's weird. So I'm going here, get some groceries, come back to y'all in a little bit. So I'll be right back. I gotta do all this stuff just to get out of my car. Ridiculous. Dude, it's so cold. That's why I hate Tennessee. Almost didn't start. Alright, time. Sleepy gas. I'm out here and I'm filming. Let's go get gas. And we're at Kroger, so we're right here by the gas station. I was actually going right here beside the Stupid Disease to get me. Hey, I just got done talking about Z's, and here's one right here. I might talk to him. Asking how he likes his Z, and if I should get one or not. Just going ahead and filling it up while I'm here. Might as well. I mean, might as well. Even though I don't drive her a lot during this time, which I noticed my tires are. They don't look flat, but it looks like they've lost a little bit of air. And I really think it's just because it's cold weather and the compound of the tire. To be honest, I don't know if what I'm saying is right, but I'm pretty sure that's the science behind what's going on. I hope so. And I don't have it now, because these Mikey Thompsons are expensive. But the plan actually about those wheels, they're super big if you saw the last video. They're 325s, they're huge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to downsize to a 275, which should fit under my car literally perfect. And I'm going with the ET Super Streets, I think that's what they're called. They're more right up on. Oh, I'm ready to get gas. Just got a nice 26 bucks of premium. I'm putting this thing. Alright, let's go. Damn. Alright, I gotta go across the street get food. This cold weather, dude. The cold cranks are not good. that's twice that it almost didn't start. I mean, I have my jump box with me, but that's bad. So let's hop across the street to Subway, get me and my lady some food. We'll be alright. Some start. Hey, Pathfinder came over here flying. That would have been good. So, y'all let me know if y'all like this in-car talk footage. I mean, it's not as much stuff going on as I would like to film, but it's raining and really isn't much to do outside. So, I mean, you tell me if you like the in-car stuff of me just talking about different things and the car, and it's kind of like, I'm trying to hold the idle for a second. It's kind of like if you guys follow TJ Hunt, if you followed him for like a while, like back in the day, he did this stuff where it's called A Day in the Life with him, and it's just walking around doing random shit, and I like that. I mean, it just shows, like, it's just a little daily thing. What do you do? Like, a lot of people wonder what YouTubers do, like, when they're not filming or just whenever they're not really just doing anything. And it's just pretty simple. It's the same thing. You just go out and do regular people things. Well, I mean, we're all people. We all do the same thing. We all got the same 24 hours in a day. It all depends on kind of what you do with that 24 hours. You know what I'm saying? Let's go get some food. Yo, dude, I think I need a new battery. I think I need a new battery. Because I just got, y'all saw, I put a new alternator on here, so I mean, should be fine. There we go. Get the data logs up. So now, I got me and my lady's food. Time to head over to Waffle House to get my parents' food. Oh, focus. What you doing, brother? M5? I don't think it's M5. It's M5, that's a good beam too. Everybody here pipes, know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Fanboy thing. You know, I wonder if you can hotboy the muscle car. I really wonder that. Y'all tell me. We have secured the bag. We have secured everyone's bag. Yeah, that's falling. But we have secured everybody's bag. Ooh, I think a 5.0 just about to. Got my keys out. 5.0 about to pull up. Oh no, it's a V6. Never mind. We almost didn't start. Yeah, it's a V6. Broke neck. No, but I ain't gonna stunt. Those V6s, man. I remember back in the day, got my ass whipped by one of them V6s, son. It's like a 2013-14 model. It was ridiculous. It was so bad. But you know what? After some minor mods and a little tune, got my face back. Because I ain't gonna let that ride. I was like, nah, I ain't letting that ride. I ain't racing another one since. So let's go ahead and do a nice little, when everything is safe and secure. I'm about to do a lot of Mustang things. I want to see how good this hooks is. It's been hooking. It ain't been spinning at all. Let's ride. She's hooking. She is hooking. I love these tires, man. I love these Mikey Thompsons, dude. I'm so happy I have these now. Like, dude, back on the 315s, Nittos, man, I mean, yes, they were kind of bald, but still, I would spin out the ass. Like, if y'all check out my Instagram, there's a video of me racing at IA like 3 years ago. And dude, I took off, and literally, I was spinning so bad, it was sitting there just, you know, finally catch. That was back when I had Flowmasters and full lowered, and I think I had my tuner. Yeah, I had my tuner at the time. But I mean, it was ridiculous, dude. It's kind of cool, but I still have this dormant intake on my car, and my car is doing really, really well. I got the, like I said, the misfire and all that, like all that situated. Thinking about getting a Ford Racing intake manifold. I kind of don't want to, but I kind of do, so I can see how it was back to where it was. I mean, I don't know what I want to do, because of course, like I said, I want to go boost, but if I go boost, I want to get the Edelbrock intake manifold, have that ported and whatnot, and have that to where I'm breathing super well. Besides getting the heads, but I'm not getting the heads until I get a built motor, and that's all down the road. That's probably next winter of 2019 is when I'll do all that stuff, unless y'all sub up. You know what I'm saying? Unless y'all really want it that bad, I'll make it happen. I'll make it happen for y'all. If y'all want the built motor that bad, then I'll make it happen. You know who will? You know what? Y'all make it happen. All the new edge people, which is it's not many of us out here on YouTube with new edges. Aren't there some people? But all of us new edge folk on YouTube, calling all y'all out. Like when I get the boost, like dang man, I'm coming for you. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming for you. If you ever see this video, I'm coming for you. Here's this bag and boosted. So nice. So nice. He has his Vortec supercharger, which is super nice. He's got that bag, the bags, and he's sitting on the wheels that I've always wanted, which are the Rovos. Like I said, I'm coming for you. Mustang week of 2019. Man, let me tell y'all that. I'm gonna stay there for another video because I'm gonna have the squad with me, because we're all gonna talk about it, and I'm gonna let them talk about what they want to do with their cars and stuff by the time Mustang week pulls up. Because we already got the house. We're already at the house. We're just finalizing a couple of things with that, and we'll have that booked and ready to go. Which dude, the place is lit. It's super lit. So y'all be prepared. And y'all be prepared for my boy Johnny 3D. He's gonna be hitting with the cinematics. He's come with the cinematic stuff. Like, the cinematics are gonna be crazy. You know what? I'm about to smash it at this light. Because you know why? I want to see how this rides. We're smashing it, baby. Come on, oh, there it is. Oh, we broke traction. Dude, these things are hooking up in the rain. I don't understand how they're hooking up so good in the rain, and that's blown away by that. So, I mean, that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. I mean, it's raining steady too. So the meats hook up in the rain. So these 325s pooped out on me. I'm not gonna buy those tires yet. I want to take it to the track with these, but I'm really nervous. I'm mostly nervous of blowing my damn rear end up again. Yeah, like I said, this is my third rear end in this car. I'm not pushing anything crazy. I'm pushing, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? 250 horsepower. So, I mean, that's it. And I'm blowing up 2 rear ends. I'm on my third one. And this was acting iffy. You know what I'm saying? So, that's wild. That's super wild. But I think I'm going to go ahead and end it up here. I kind of want to listen to music. And I don't want to get copyrighted. Shit. I've already gotten copyrighted. I got copyrighted on my intro. Or not my intro, but my outro. But I'm gonna go ahead and play some music, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, if y'all like this type of stuff, like these type of vlogs, let me know, and I'll cruise around and just talk to y'all. Okay? I mean, I like it because y'all. If y'all like it, I like it. And I mean, I like it. Like, I'm over here cheesing, so I like it. So I mean, until then, y'all, take it easy, and I'll.